AI just changed how customers find local businesses, and it's created a $297 a month service they're saying yes to almost immediately. Because when someone needs a plumber, a dentist, or an HVAC company right now, AI doesn't show them a list. It picks one business and sends them the customer. It's basically playing favorites now. No democracy, no fair vote, just you win. Everyone else, they're now invisible. Not second page of Google invisible. I'm talking witness protection program invisible. And every time that happens, that's a customer going to your client's competitor instead of them. This isn't random. There's one specific signal that decides who gets picked, and once you understand it, you can fix it in a single afternoon and turn it into a recurring service that runs without you. I've built 3 different 7-figure agencies, worked with over 1,500 small businesses, run thousands of campaigns, and today I do it all as a one-person agency with 0 employees. In over 10 years of doing this, I have never seen local businesses this confused about why their phone isn't ringing anymore. And I've never seen a faster yes than when I show them what one of my agencies does, which is exactly what I'm about to show you. So, what changed, and why does AI pick one business and skip the next one? In most cases, AI only recommends 1 or 2 businesses. That's it. And the ones that make the cut have one thing in common: reviews. Specifically, how recent they are. Think about it like this. Imagine you're choosing between 2 different restaurants. One's got loads of reviews, but the last one was posted over a year ago. The other one has been getting fresh new reviews every single week. Well, most people would choose the second one with the most recent reviews because recent reviews signal that a business is still active, it's still trusted, it's still worth visiting. AI sees it the same way. It doesn't just count reviews, it reads them as a signal. Is this business still active? Is it still trusted? Is it still safe to recommend right now? Fresh reviews say yes. Old reviews say maybe not, or worse, this place might not even be open anymore. And this matters now more than ever because it's not just Google doing this, it's ChatGPT and Claude and Perplexity and Gemini and Meta AI, and every one of them uses these signals to decide which businesses get recommended and which ones just quietly disappear. So the businesses actively collecting fresh reviews right now, they're the ones that are getting recommended across all of these different platforms. The business, on the other hand, that got a pile of reviews 2 years ago and then just stopped asking, they're getting skipped. They're invisible. Every single day. And here's the part that most people miss. This is happening right now. Every single time someone searches for a local business, AI is making that judgment call, which means while that business owner is sitting there wondering why their phone's gone quiet, their competitor is getting that call instead, over and over again. Not because their competitor's better, not because they're smarter, not because they've got some secret marketing recipe. They just didn't forget to ask for reviews. And that's what the AI trusts. Now, the great news here is that this is genuinely easy to fix. Here's the system. It's just 3 steps, and you can have the entire thing running for a client inside of a week, sometimes even later that same day. So let me walk you through each step now, starting with step 1, the AI audit. This is how you open the conversation with a potential client. Takes 2 minutes and it closes more business than any pitch you could give. So let me tell you exactly who to go after because this matters. The perfect kinds of clients for this offer are local service businesses that have been around for a few years, have real customers who love them, but who stopped actively collecting reviews. These are businesses like plumbers and dentists and HVAC companies, chiropractors, auto shops, law firms, things like that. The perfect prospect looks like this. Somewhere around 30 to 80 reviews on Google, the last one posted several months ago, ratings sitting around the low to mid 4s like 4.1 to 4.6. The good thing about these kind of businesses though is that they clearly have happy customers. They just stopped asking for reviews. And right now, AI is quietly skipping them because of this. And finding these kind of clients takes about 5 minutes. Open Google Maps, search for a type of business in any city, and scroll through the results. Let's use HVAC companies in Dallas as an example here. Again, you're looking for listings where the most recent review was posted 3, 6, 9 months ago. That's your sweet spot. Those business owners are walking around wondering why their phone isn't ringing the way that it used to. You have the answer before you even reach out. Now here's how you open the conversation, whether you're reaching out by email, DM, phone, or a Loom video. You open ChatGPT and type, find me their business type, in their city, who can come out today. For this example, I'll use the same HVAC niche as before, but we'll pick a different city. Let's say San Antonio. So the prompt becomes, find me an HVAC company in San Antonio, Texas that can come out today. Then you show them what comes back. Watch what happens. In this case, 1 business comes up. Sometimes it's 2, sometimes a few more. ChatGPT gives a short explanation of why, but everything else, every single other business in that city, just doesn't exist in that answer. Years of hard work reduced to not even mentioned. Now, if their business shows up, good. You explain what's driving that and tell them that you want to protect it and grow it. On the other hand, if it doesn't, and most of the time it's not going to, you let that moment sit for just a second. Then you say this, write this down. That's your competitor getting that call, not you. I can fix that, and once I set it up, the system runs automatically so you never have to think about it again. That's the whole pitch, just a 2-minute search that shows them the problem with their very own eyes. There's no proposal, no slide deck, you don't have to convince anybody. They see it, you offer the fix, so now let's build it. Moving on to step 2, review velocity. Now, review velocity is really just a fancy pants marketing term that means getting fresh reviews coming in on a regular basis. Not a one-time push that floods the business with 100 reviews all at once, but a slow, steady drip that tells every AI platform out there that this business is still active, it's still winning, and it's still worth recommending right now. We're gonna do this inside high level and go into the client's sub-account. On the left sidebar, you'll see reputation, so we'll click that. Quick note, if you don't have high level yet, the link below this video gets you a free 30-day trial plus all the automations and scripts and resources I use to run my own agencies. Everything unlocks immediately. From there, we go to settings inside reputation, then click request at the top, and then configure review link, which is gonna give you a direct link that you can share so someone can leave a review in just one click. Then we'll click over to automations. Now, I've already got this stuff built out inside of my reputation management folder. I've labeled it send review request, so we'll click that. Again, when you start your free trial using the link below, you'll have access to all of this that you can just instantly install into your account. And what this automation does is send a text to every customer automatically after a job is done. And the first message looks like this. Hi, contact first name. This is business owner name from business name. Just checking in to make sure everything looks good with the work we did today. Once this is live, every completed job triggers a message automatically. Your client wakes up to new reviews and new messages without doing a thing. And that's exactly what AI search needs to see. Fresh reviews, regular cadence, proof the business is still running along. Okay, next up is step number 3, the automation. This is about making sure that it keeps running without anyone touching it. Lucky for us, all we have to do to see the rest of the automation is just scroll down a bit and see that right now the automation waits for a response back from the customer, or it waits for 2 hours, whichever comes first. And then it automatically follows up with this message that gives them the review link. And that message looks like this. Hi, contact first name, business owner name here from business name. Just wanted to say thanks again for the opportunity to work with you. If you have 30 seconds, would you mind sharing your experience in a quick Google review? It helps other customers know they can trust us. Now, one thing I want to be very clear about. Every customer needs to get the same link, no matter what their experience was. No filtering, no routing good reviews one way and complaints another. Every customer, same link. That's the only correct way to do this. 2 messages, both automated, the whole thing runs on its own. And here's where it gets really good for client retention. HighLevel just launched a reputation overview dashboard live inside Labs right now, which tracks review count and rating trend and recent reviews all in one place. This is important. Not just for you, but for the client, because this is what you show them every month. Here's what that conversation looks like. You pull this up on a quick call, 5 minutes, maybe 10, definitely not a 90-minute strategy call that could have been an email. You can also pre-record this using screen recording software like Loom and then just send them the link, which is what I do 99 times out of 100. You show them the review count this month versus last month, the rating trend, then you click into the review request analytics and you show them the actual funnel. How many texts went out, how many were opened, how many clicked the link, how many left a review. Then you pull up the AI review summary, one click, and HighLevel automatically generates a plain English summary of what customers are actually saying about the business right now. And then you say something like, this is what's telling AI to recommend you. It's working. Here's what we're going to do next month to keep it moving. That's your monthly touch point. That's why they stay. That's why this isn't a one-time project. It's a recurring service, because the moment they stop, the drip stops and AI starts skipping them again. And that's your $297 a month service. A system that runs without you, makes the business more visible everywhere that AI search is happening, and comes with a monthly conversation that proves it's working. Here's the math. If this brings in just one extra customer per month, and for most local service businesses, one customer is worth a few $100s minimum, the service has already paid for itself several times over. That's month 1. Before month 2, before month 6, and we're not doing advanced calculus here. This is basic, more calls equals more money. And here's what makes this different from most agency services. Most things that you could sell take months before a client sees anything. This one, on the other hand, they see new reviews inside the first week. That's when they go from, I think this is working, to, I know this is working. That's the moment they stop thinking about canceling and start asking what else you can do. Now, I need to be straight with you about something. Most people getting started or trying to grow a new agency are looking for the complicated thing, the elaborate funnel, the big ad campaign, the fancy system that takes months before a client sees anything. This isn't that. This is simple on purpose. This combination is rare. Simple problem, simple fix, fast results, a price point most clients don't even blink at. Most services have 1 or 2 of those. This has all 4, which is exactly why it works, and exactly why most people are going to try to overcomplicate it. adding more steps, adding more tools, building some overly complicated system that breaks in 3 days. So don't do that. So here's the question. Do you want to be the person who figures this out after everyone else is already selling it, or the one who's signing clients while nobody else even knows this exists yet? If you want instant access to everything I just showed you, the automations, the scripts, the full agency OS, it's all waiting for you inside a free trial of High Level. Links in the descriptions below. And if you're not quite ready for that yet and want to learn a little more first, I put together a free masterclass right here that walks you through the whole thing step by step. So feel free to tap or click that now. I'll see you in there in just a second.